Okay, so think about it. 3 meals a day, 365 days a year. It's no wonder what we eat can actually kind of fall into that occasional rut. So here with tips to keep your meals from becoming mundane is food personality and author Whitney Bond. Whitney, thank you so much for being with us.
Thanks for having me.
So let's kind of bring, I guess, like creativity back to what we're eating, because you're right, that food rut, that's easy to fall into.
Yeah, so the thing with reimagining what you eat really is to start small and to just think of it as little simple swaps in your meals that throughout the day will make, bigger changes as you start to evolve and get creative in the kitchen. So we're going to start with breakfast today. Now, I know everyone is familiar with the trend of Taco Tuesday, but I'm starting a new trend today with Toast Tuesday. So we've got some great sweet and savory toast options that are easy to make for breakfast any morning. So for the sweet, we've got a peanut butter, banana, and hardwood smoked Smithfield bacon. And on the savory side, we've got an avocado toast with Smithfield fresh breakfast sausage patties. Now for a little Hawaiian spin, we've got some diced ham and diced pineapple. And you can never go wrong with a classic smoky Smithfield hometown original bacon and eggs. Now if you're looking for a low-calorie twist, use a roasted sliced sweet potato instead of the bread. Now, for a twist on waffles, we've got this really fun bubble waffle cone filled with bacon and berries. This is a really fun breakfast twist and easy to take on the go. Now, for a classic like Eggs Benedict, I've switched it up by adding Smithfield breakfast sausage and topping it with a smoky orange hollandaise. All of these delicious breakfast reimagined recipes can be found on smithfield.com.
Oh my gosh, those were all some great creative ideas. And by the way, I feel like Tuesday's getting all the food love. Taco Tuesday, everything. Tuesday's the day to do something pretty awesome. But what about our snacks? And I feel like snacks are super important because we know we need, of course, to have those throughout the day, but those also can kind of fall into that rut.
Yeah, absolutely. So the trick with your treats is that you want something that's satisfying and delicious, but you also want to watch what you're eating in between your meals. And in a recent study, it was found that people are really seeking a more balanced lifestyle when it comes to their food options, but they really are still craving that something really delicious that they can enjoy. And that's where this new discovery from Dove Chocolates comes into play. They have a new line of Dove Chocolates covered with dusted almonds and cashews in 3 bold flavors. So there's a cinnamon dusted dark chocolate almond, sea salt dusted milk chocolate cashew, and cocoa dusted dark chocolate cashew. Really the combination of the nuts covered in the silky, smooth, delicious Dove chocolates dusted with a little bit of cinnamon, sea salt, and cocoa. They're so delicious and they're easily found in stores nationwide. You can get more info about those on dovechocolate.com and find them on social media on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and Instagram.
Well, you helped us with breakfast. You've helped us with the snacks. So I guess what we need left is dinner.
It's dinner time. Everyone wants to know what's for dinner, and I've got some great easy recipes on my food blog, whitneybond.com. There's hundreds of recipes made in 29 minutes or less. So when you get home after a long day, you can make something that's quick, easy, and delicious. Or I have hundreds of slow cooker recipes that are perfect for popping in the slow cooker before you go to work, and then you have a delicious meal when you get home. Really reimagining what you eat is just about simple swaps and getting a little more creative in the kitchen.
Oh my gosh, I love the slow cooker. It's my favorite thing to come home at the end of the day and your house smells like food. It's the best thing ever. Whitney, thank you so much for all these great ideas.
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks for having me.
Don't go anywhere. The Morning Blend, we'll be right back.